Hey guys, old school dirt biker here again. Getting the rear end finished on this Dt400. Everything's pretty much really close from the carburetor to the back. Got the pipe, exhaust pipe, rear fender's ready to go back on, the wiring, the tail light. I posted a video of the tail light. Got this new tire put on. It's a Kenda 100. Let's see. Heavy duty tube. Got new brake shoes in it. Everything's been adjusted, took care of. The main thing I made this video was for, I wanted everybody to see these original wheel bearings. When I took them off, they still had the factory brown grease in them, and they were absolutely perfect. This bike originally came out of Pasadena, California, from the Moline brothers. And if anybody knows that name in the flat track racing world from the early 20th century. And but anyway, these wheel bearings, it's just amazing how good a shape they are to be 52 years old. I wanted to spin it where everybody could see it. So here we go. You can hear just a touch of, that's the brake shoes. Crazy good how it is. And I'm not really going to be getting it in a bunch of water, so they should last for another 50 years if I take care of it. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. More to come. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you like what I'm doing. More videos coming on this bike. I hope to have it completely done within a month or so. And old school dirt biker out. Talk to you later. Appreciate you watching.